Good morning, children. Myself Bhavar. I'm your math teacher. I hope you are safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about your second chapter is long and short. We start from a short story. Rahul has to get uniform from market, but he is very confused because he doesn't know how much clothes does he need. So Rahul's brother is going to help. Rahul's brother tells him we have different instruments to measure the objects like scale, inch tape and meter scale. We have this scale to measure the small object. We are using this scale in school and home also, right? The scale is starting from 0 and it is up to 30 centimeter. So each centimeter over here is representative. And we write centimeter as cm in short form. So we can use this scale to measure the length of different object. So let us and try do that. First question is Roshan bought a new pencil and he wants to know how long is his pencil. रोशन ने एक पेंसिल खरीदी और वो जानना चाहता है कि उसकी पेंसिल कितनी लंबी है. Now we have placed pencil over here such that one of side is starting from 0 and end is up to 12 centimeter. We can say the length of this pencil is 12 centimeter. Now we can measure the length of this pen. We have placed scale like this. We draw two lines. Lines should touch top and bottom and should be straight. And it is starting from 0 and end is up to 10 centimeter. So we can say length of this span is 10 centimeter. Similarly questions. We have placed scale like this. We draw two lines. Lines should touch top and bottom and starting from 0 and end is up to 11 centimeter. We can say height of the glass is 11 centimeter. We can measure the height of this cheek. We have placed scale like this. We draw two lines again. Lines should be straight, remember, and lines should touch top and bottom. We can say starting from 0 and is up to 8 centimeter. So we can say the height of this cheek is 8 centimeter. Which leaf is longer? Leaf number 1 and 2. We can say number 1 leaf is longer than number 2 leaf. Similarly questions. Which letter is shorter? Number 1 letter and number 2 letter is here. We can say number 2 letter is shorter. Which of these are tallest and shortest? There are one tree, one plant and one little plant. So we can say tree is the tallest out of 3. We can say in my right hand a little plant here. We can say it is the shortest. Similarly questions. Which of these are tallest and shortest? So we can say ostrich is the tallest out of 3. We can say sparrow is the shortest out of 3. Now long and short. What about this table and what about this cloth? How will you measure these? These are little longer, so we need longer scale. We have this instrument. The instrument is called meter scale. You know, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. You can ask to your father and mother, we have meter scale. This is homework for you. You will collect the data about your family members. You will measure the height of your family members and collect their data. You will compare the height of your family member and you will tell, question number first, who is the tallest in your family, who is the shortest in your family, what is the difference between their heights. आपको डिफरेंस बताना है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंस बताना है आपको. आपका भाई हो, ब्रदर हो, मम्मी हो, पापा हो, कोई भी हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मान लो आपकी मदर की हाइट है 150 सेंटीमीटर और आपके फादर की हाइट है 160 सेंटीमीटर. तो यू कैन डिफरेंस, तो पापा की कितनी है 160 सेंटीमीटर और मम्मा की कितनी है 150 सेंटीमीटर. तो डिफरेंस ऑफ हाइट हम क्या करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे. तो माइनस करेंगे क्या आएगा 10 सेंटीमीटर. थैंक यू.